Hey, what's up guys? My name is Telvin. Welcome to WeDesignToo, and today I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way how to remove a plain background in Photoshop using the Remove Background tool. Now if you would like to follow along, make sure you hit the Downloads Files button located right under this video. Now let's get started. The first thing we're going to want to do is open our picture in Photoshop. To do so, you go to File and then hit Open. So we're going to open the picture that we just downloaded. And if you notice, when you open your document in Photoshop, our picture is locked. To unlock it, just click on the lock icon located in the right in the layers panel. Now we need to access our properties panel. If you do not see properties here, what you can do is go to Windows and hit properties. I'm gonna turn it off just for the sake of this video, and I'm gonna turn it back on. You go to Windows, properties, and that should do the trick. Now under quick actions, you should see two features: remove background or select subject. What we're going to do for this video is remove the background, so go ahead and click it, and it should take about 1 to 3 seconds to work. And just like that, our background is removed. Now if you have any questions, feel free to hit us up at WeDesignToo.co and we'll hit you right back. Peace guys.